Grace's new haircut. She's saying hi to one of the Muppet people. Hi, buddy. What's up? There's something in there? Is there a book? Do you want to read a book? Oh, do you want Mom to read it? Okay, we're gonna turn around. Come here. And sit down. And we will read a book. You open it up. Brown bear. Purple thing. It's a skunk. Skunks aren't purple. They really are black and white. It's a little weird. Green turtle. Blue snail. And a book. Go get another book. Da? Uh-oh. What you doing? Oh. Oh. Can you sit down on my lap again? Okay. We're back. Hi. Love you.